Evernote versus Jira, two productivity giants, both trusted by millions. But which one truly rules your workflow in 2025? On the left, Evernote, your digital memory companion. And on the right, Jira, the agile project management powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters. Each round scores points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. We're breaking this down across 6 categories: pricing, target audience, features, collaboration, ease of use, and reporting and analytics. Yep, that's a lot, but it'll really help us see where the strengths and quirks pop up. All right, kicking things off with pricing. Let's start with Evernote. So it starts at $7.99 per month, which is pretty reasonable. And the free version is actually nice if you're just getting started or if you don't need a ton of bells and whistles. Plus, the individual-friendly pricing really makes it appealing, but heads up, if you're using the free plan, the storage does hit a wall pretty quickly. Now, Jira, it's a bit different. The base starts at $7.50 per user per month, which on paper is lower, but once you stack up users, it gets expensive kind of fast. There is a free version, but mostly good for tiny teams. Oh, and don't forget about their plugins. Those can pile up the cost if you need extra features. So if you're solo or a small team, Evernote is legit easier on the wallet. Winner here? Evernote sneaks it by a hair. Next up, target audience. So, Evernote is for the lone wolves and small teams, the note takers, the writers, anybody needing to sort out digital piles of information. It's super simple, which is great. But if you're dreaming bigger, like handling giant projects, yeah, it's a bit limited. Now, Jira? Oh man, it's a total powerhouse for big teams and serious project management. Enterprise ready, made for scaling, and absolutely perfect for software development. Honestly, if you just want to keep track of your grocery list, Jira is just way overkill. But if you have complex workflows or developers working together, it absolutely shines. Winner? No contest. Jira takes this category hands down. All right, features. So Evernote comes in with really good note organization, a slick web clipper, cross-device sync, and a way to put simple tasks in one place. It doesn't try to be a project manager, so yeah, it keeps reporting and task stuff basic. Now, Jira is where things get wild. Think comprehensive tracking, advanced reporting, proper issue tracking, resource management, even agile workflows. Downside, it's a beast for beginners, and expect a bit of a climb learning everything. But if you care about power and flexibility, it's the place to be. The winner here? Definitely Jira. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Evernote racks up over 5 billion user actions every month? And Jira? It's responsible for tracking millions of software bugs worldwide. Pretty wild how much data flows through these platforms. Moving on, collaboration. Evernote does shared notebooks and real-time sync, which is actually super handy for tossing ideas around and sharing notes quick. Collaboration tools are basic though, and if you want deeper team management, you'll probably hit some walls. Jira is made for teams, like big teams. Role-based access is cool, the permissions are super detailed, and the team workflows plug right into whatever dev tools you're already using. Only hiccup? All that power can get overwhelming pretty quickly and might need some training. But still, Jira's got the edge here. That's a win for Jira. All right, let's talk ease of use. This is one category where Evernote does not mess around. The interface is seriously intuitive. Setup is quick, and it falls right into a natural workflow. It just makes sense. Mobile interface isn't perfect, but for most stuff, it's easy. Jira, though, it's the opposite. Sure, it's customizable and flexible, but the interface can get pretty complex, and getting started takes a bit of time. Plus, there's training involved. So if you want plug-and-play simplicity, Jira's not it. No contest. Evernote totally wins here. On to reporting and analytics. Evernote it's fine. You get basic reports, but for analytics and keeping track of project stats, it's just not built for that. Jira, meanwhile, is stacked. Detailed dashboards, agile reports, custom options, progress tracking, the works. It's intense. And yeah, it needs some setup, but if tracking is a big deal for you, you're going to want to go with Jira. So, this one's easy. Jira clinches the win. All right, let's paint a quick visual. Imagine a radar chart lighting up all the strengths. Evernote is top for pricing and ease of use, but Jira just dominates in target audience, features, collaboration, and reporting. So those strengths and trade-offs are pretty clear once you see the whole picture, right? So here's the scoop. Evernote is absolutely gold if you want fuss-free note-taking and personal productivity. Super simple, gets the job done, especially solo. But if you need to manage serious projects, track issues, run reports, or you're working with a big team, Jira is seriously powerful. End of the day, it's all about what you need, simplicity or scale. All right, so if you're still not sure, take a minute and ask yourself, do you care more about easy personal notes or tackling big, complex projects with a full crew? Your team size and just how wild your workflow gets totally decides which tool's going to fit best. Good luck.